Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we've got something special for all you hair care enthusiasts out there. Get ready to say goodbye to those stubborn knots and tangles because we're diving into the best detangling brush for thick hair available. The Glide Thru Detangling Brush by Crave Naturals. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty details, let me tell you why this brush has been making waves in the hair care world. Designed by Crave Naturals, this detangling brush isn't your average hairbrush. It's a game changer, especially for those with thick, unruly hair. First things first, let's talk about those pesky knots and tangles. The unique cone-shaped plastic bristles of the Glide Thru brush work wonders in gently unraveling even the toughest knots. Unlike ordinary brushes that can tug and pull at your hair, leaving you in pain and frustration, this brush glides through effortlessly, making detangling a breeze. What sets this brush apart from the rest? Well, for starters, it's designed with painless soft plastic bristles that not only detangle but also massage the scalp, promoting better circulation and potentially even enhancing hair growth. Plus, it's gentle enough for everyday use, so you can say hello to smoother, shinier hair without any hassle. So there you have it, folks. The Glide Thru Detangling Brush by Crave Naturals is a must-have addition to your hair care routine, especially if you're dealing with thick, tangled hair. Say hello to smoother, pain-free brushing and goodbye to those stubborn knots. Don't wait any longer, grab yours today and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy brushing!